Good morning. Welcome to King's Dominion. I'm the Penguin at PiplupJames. Here's JD.
What's going on, everybody? This is King representing over here. Take on a new surprising game. King's Dominion, RapTerra. We're about to get launched in second out from 0 to 65 miles in about 4 seconds. Are you ready, my man?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Woo! Oh my God! Up 145 feet in the air! Woo! Woo! Bring it to a time, still, baby! Let's go! Oh my God! Oh, this is so smooth! So smooth! Here we come to the next immersion! Straight into the Portsmouth! Into a Raptor 360 zero roll! Oh my God! Woo! Oh my God! That was so good. Thank you, King's Dominion. This is a great addition. What you think, Penguin?
I love it. Glad to have that in this beautiful car.
Man, we want to see you here this summer at King's Dominion. King's Dominion. Pull up 2025, baby.
50th anniversary. Don't forget it.
50th!
Yeah.